Hello, when you open a folder and get the above error, follow these steps to fix it. The cause of the above error is because your account does not have permission to access that folder. So you open a command window with administrative rights and use the above command. Once completed, your current account takes ownership of the folder and the files in that folder. You can now open the folder and browse the files in that folder. But you won't be able to open the file. For example, in this case, I can't open the video file. If you get this error, follow these steps. This error is because you have ownership rights to the folder and files but do not have other rights. So you open the folder properties and go to the Security tab. Here you make sure your account has full permissions to the target folder. Above is how to fix the error when you encounter a folder access error on a Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.